ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund presents BHARAT 22 ETF, an opportunity to invest in India's growth story by investing in some of the leading companies at a discount of 3%. New fund offer for anchor investors open and closes on November 14, 2017. And for non-anchor investors opens on November 15, 2017 and closes on November 17, 2017. Through BHARAT 22 ETF, you get an opportunity to invest in 22 companies like NTPC, L&T, State Bank of India, Coal India, Bharat Electronics, Power Grid Corporation of India, and get the benefit of diversification through investment in sectors like energy, finance, fast-moving consumer goods, industrials, utilities, and basic materials. BHARAT 22 ETF shall track the S&P BSE BHARAT 22 Index, which has diversified exposure to sectors with secular growth prospects and cyclicals. The index has stock level cap of 15% and sector level cap of 20% rebalanced annually. Also, companies may be added to or deleted from the index based on notification by the Government of India. Here are the benefits you can get by investing in BHARAT 22 ETF. Invest in a low-cost scheme. Investment in a mix of leaders from different sectors that represent a balance between stability and growth. Incentives by the Government of India in the form of discount of 3% during NFO. Aim to get the benefit of the earnings potential of the underlying companies. Attractive dividend yield in comparison to S&P BSE Sensex or Nifty 50. High liquidity since more than 99% of the index constituents are available under the future and options segment. Here is how you can invest in BHARAT 22 ETF. As a retail individual investor, you need to have a demat account, and through that you can invest minimum 5,000 rupees and in multiples of 1 rupee thereafter, up to 2 lakhs during the non-anchor investor NFO. After the allotment, the units BHARAT 22 ETF will be listed on BSE Limited and NSE. To sum up, BHARAT 22 ETF is a good investment option with strong belief in India's macroeconomic situation and pro-growth government. Investors are recommended to invest in this ETF as a part of their core equity portfolio to participate and aim to benefit from secular growth in the Indian economy. Invest in BHARAT 22 ETF. To invest, visit ICICIPruMF.com. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.